Welcome everyone. Satadal, over to you.
Yeah, actually, what I was explaining was about the Kolkata Book Fair. Just a minute. I'll send her the link personally also.
Okay, I'll just call and talk to her to join.
Right.
Yeah.
So what happened actually in the book fair, like Kolkata Book Fair is very different from the book fairs that we have in other cities, in the sense that it is almost like
SL, I don't know if you have reconnected. So for the benefit of me, because I've joined a bit late, anything that we have discussed?
Yeah, I'm starting from the very beginning. So the thing is that we started with Kolkata Book Fair, what it is about and why we are doing this, why we should do this, things like those. So Kolkata Book Fair basically is an annual event. It is the 44th year. 2019 was the 44th year. And after that, the fair never happened because of COVID. So this is a book fair that attracts the largest number of footfalls, not only from Kolkata, but elsewhere also, neighboring states, then elsewhere in Bengal. So there's a large amount of footfall. So to avoid this crowding and avoid, to abide by the COVID protocols, they have divided into two parts. One is the New Town Book Fair and one is the Karunamai or the Kolkata Book Fair, as they say. So both are as popular as they are because New Town being a new destination for Calcuttans and people from elsewhere, people from outside, from abroad, and also it's a more organized setup sort of thing, very clean, very looking very different from the other parts of Kolkata. So all the posh people like Vikram Khaitan, they live there. They prefer to live there.
Why me?
So
it's close to the airport also, so people can come for
the airport is nearby. The airport is very near, and everything else is happening in New Town only. And our chief minister.
Foreign looks ना उसमें वो देख के लगता नहीं इंडिया में कि foreign feeling आ जाता है ना cheap में. Bus fare में foreign.
And our chief minister is trying to showcase New Town for the for being the new destination for foreign investors. So a lot of footfalls are expected. And the place where we are having it is called the Clock Tower Ground, which is a replica of Big Ben, London. So uske niche mein there is a fairground. There itself we are having this book fair. And it's a famous place. So that place, is very famous because you have everything around. There is a Narjirul Tirtha, which is supposed to host a lot of singing and cultural events and all those things. And then there is a library also. There is a university called Amity University nearby. So a buzzing place, and people are very keen to have programs outside because they have been staying indoors for some time. So this is a 10-day event, after which, we'll be doing the cataloging, wherein we will send the catalogs with the author's bio, then author's name, number, email ID, synopsis of the book, synopsis of the author. Will be sending it to various libraries, starting from New Town Library. So the authors will get a call from the libraries themselves. There's no middleman. There'll be no S-Larry in between, directly between the author and the library. Like, your book is this. We want to know about it. Can you share some more things? Can you send us 50 books? Like, can you send us in a discounted rate? Things like those. Then, of course, people might invite you for talks. People might have webinars with you, want to know more about you in the subject, because an author is an authority. So that respect is given till date. I don't know what will happen in the future, but till date that respect is given to an author, that you are an authority. So people might call you, and don't be surprised if you find an email saying that your book has been showcased in the stall of the House of Apricons, because the name of a stall is House of Apricons, courtesy Rupa Pandit, because her company is called House of Apricons. Since we did not have any registration paper, we had to partner somebody, and she is an author, and she's an entrepreneur and a teacher. So she has this banner called the House of Apricons. Jayanti Madam has joined. So the book is being showcased under this name. And the show will continue even after the 10 days. there'll be the show will continue pursuing various, libraries and corporates and other people, student bodies, so that some kind of response comes across. I don't know whether the publishers talk about this, but this is my take. This is how I'd like to work and help each other. And secondly, in your town, like everybody is in a different town. Lavanya ji is in Bangalore, then Nirja is in Hyderabad. Nirja and Janti madam, they are in Hyderabad. Then Vikram ji is in Tirupati, and Deepa, Govindji, they are in Mumbai. So anything that happens in your city, just let us know. We can, share things.
I'm in Hyderabad.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you are in Hyderabad.
I'm in Mumbai, said Atal.
So I got mixed up.
Yeah.
So Sucheta ji, Deepa, they are all in Mumbai.
Lalit has yet to join, and Spondan.
Yeah, I've sent a personalized message to Spondan. I don't know what happened. He's always troubled by his daughter. So probably he'll join in a little bit late, but he'll join definitely. Lalit, I don't know. Lalit had a meeting at 8 o'clock, he said.
SL, who else from Hyderabad? I didn't.
Govind is
What is
from
the name?
Suresh Govind is from
Oh,
Hyderabad.
yeah.
Yeah, near Suresh. Yeah.
I think Rupa is from Mumbai, na?
Rupa is from Kolkata.
Kolkata. Okay, you're from Kolkata.
Niloy is from Kolkata. Deepa is from Mumbai. Devi Prasad is from Kolkata. And Jayanti ji, Nirja and Govind is from Hyderabad. Sucheta is from Mumbai. And Deepa is from Mumbai. Smita ji, where are you from?
Sir, right now I am in MP. I'm from MP, but I used to live in Pune.
Okay,
My
so
house in Pune, but COVID के कारण सर मैं होम टाउन पे हूँ MP में.
अच्छा, MP कहाँ पे exactly?
भोपाल sir.
Bhopal, oh my God. Okay, Bhopal is a lovely place, but I remember that Bhopal gas tragedy.
Yeah.
Another Mumbaiker has joined us, Lagnajita Chatterjee. She is also from Mumbai.
Yeah. Good evening all. A little late today. How are you all?
Right in time, and you're in the right link.
That's correct.
Lagnajita Chatterjee, she writes about children, and she has written a fantastic book called Googly Impu Chimpu and Other Stories.
Thank you for your wise, wonderful words, I would rather say.
No, not wonderful words. Your book is wonderful because what happens, it transports somebody to their own childhood. This is the book.
Just trying to, let's see. Yeah.
Like the cover pages. Yeah, it's designed really nicely. Quite appealing for the small kids.
A good thing is we know many of you due to, Mr. VK.
Yeah.
Medium wherein we know a lot of people. Yeah. So, Sucheta ji, we heard you saying it. It was quite good. Very realistic, rather.
Yes.
Authentic, as she says.
Yeah. Authentic, correct. So, there are many who we have met through him, rather. And now again.
So, what I was saying is, from your city, if anything comes up, because Nirja was saying that there's going to be a book fair in Hyderabad as well. Then Jaipur mein ek book fest hota hai, which is world famous.
Yeah, I didn't know about it, but KG was
Jaipur.
telling me about it.
Yeah, so I'd request you all to find out so that we can also try our hand with those. And everybody, if possible, you're requested to have a look at the book of Jayanti Jaisima ji. I Adore Jay. I have read the opening part of the book through this thing. Look inside wala thing. It's wonderful. The starting is wonderful. Now the book will come to me in 3 days, then I can tell you about it. But it will be your own experience taking the book in your hand and reading it. So ML Jaisema was one person who had batted all the 5 days of a test match. Imagine, 5 din he had batted in a test match. So any questions regarding the book fair, please?
Yeah, I just wanted to know, that means all those copies, whatever you had, you will be displaying on the in the stall, okay?
Right, right.
Yeah, and we will be having banner on this. And suppose if in case all the copies are sold, then we will be sending you extra copies.
No,
or-
no, no, no.
No.
See,
Yeah.
oh, मैं भूल गया. I have to make the concept clear how the selling happens.
Yeah.
These 5 books or 6 books, whatever, they will be on display only. Apart from some, say some dignitary comes, usko gift kiya. That's all. People will just have a feel of the book. Just usko, they'll feel the book. People would like to have a feel of the book, which they don't
Just
get
go
in
through it.
Amazon.
Yeah.
Just go flip through it, see the back page, see the picture, feel the book, smell, and all those things that people do. We also do. And then when they order it, you know, Vikramji has devised a wonderful method. In the catalog, we'll have the author's name, the book, and a QR code.
Yeah.
From this thing, the QR code will direct them to Amazon. They'll buy it from Amazon. Amazon will send it to them. There is no middleman, nothing.
Yeah.
Only the book on display are only to have a feel of the book. That's all. It's not, those books will go to Kolkata Book Fair also, other book fairs also. So it is a one-time, you know, sometimes it happens ki yahan 5 dignitary aa gaye, you know, 5 great people come together, so 5 book chala gaya. So that is, you know, probability is low, but in that eventuality, we might ask for more books, but otherwise, this is enough.
Okay.
SL, would there be a chance for Kindle sales also here?
There can be chance because a lot of student bodies will be also coming, and Kindle is cheap. So people might say, do we have an ebook version? So we can tell them, okay, you can go to Amazon and have a look. If you want to buy the ebook, you can buy the ebook. So there are 4 universities in Newtown. So those students might also come in. Yes, madam.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, perfectly.
No, I wanted to know, couldn't there be a sort of a swipe machine at the stall itself? So if anyone wants to do it immediately, they can just swipe it from Amazon or whatever. Is that a bad idea? I don't know.
No, that's a wonderful idea. In fact, swipe machine is available at every kiosk. You don't have to have your personal swipe machine. So
No, not personal. At the stall, if there is a swipe, anybody can swipe that machine for any book that they want from Amazon.
Yeah, that can also be done. That's not a problem. That can also be done.
That's
and
what
we are also keeping the, now the trendiest thing is having a QR code, because everybody carries in their mobile this Paytm, Phone Pay, Google Pay, and all that stuff, Amazon Pay. So this thing also we are keeping, like if anybody would like to buy, and it is very fast also. So that this provision is also there.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree with Jayanti ma'am, because what happens, you know, Sedatil, the marketing concept is the customer makes a decision. Suppose he likes Jayanti ma'am's book, okay, and he has a particular cash budget. But if he likes Jayanti ma'am's book, if he buys in that moment, you know, if he feels like buying and he comes and buys that particular book, then the sale takes place. If he moves away from the stall, he might come across something interesting, or he might change his decision. So if both of you or any of you have a tab with you, and whatever Vikram sir is going to create, so if we have that links on that tab itself, so we can ask them to buy it for then and there itself. Yeah, I like that idea. So we can think about that.
Yeah, that's what we are doing. Like in the counter, we'll be displaying the catalog and the books. After seeing through the book, if the person wants to buy it.
Yeah.
So now in the catalog, we are having the QR code as well.
Yes.
So you have your mobile, you just scan the QR code, the book gets bought. So you don't have to take out cash from your pocket also. So that provision we are keeping in the stall. Like now Spandan will be creating that catalog. Slowly he's creating, because most of the people are there already. Some people are yet to confirm their presence. Hari Chetan has not joined. So we are waiting for that. Otherwise, our final list is ready. Yes, Lavanya ma'am.
Yeah. So the thing is, I have, this QR code can be had to buy the book, but I have one more QR code which leads directly to my interview on BBC World Radio. I've been interviewed on BBC World Radio, so can I give that so that when the customer just scans that QR code also, it directly airs the interview on BBC World Radio?
What we can do is, once we after listing your books, below we can write 2 words, 2 sentences about your interview, and we have the QR code. So if somebody is interested, they can scan it and they can hear it on their own. So that will be an extra QR code coming below your name. So you have to send us that QR code. You have to give 2 sentences about your interview and when it happened and all those things. So we'll put that in the catalog.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Does my book have a QR code?
We'll generate that.
Notion Press. It has a Notion Press. I don't know what code it is. ISBN, it says.
Now, ISBN is, every book has got a ISBN. So ISBN will be there, but we'll have to create a QR code. And there is an app, like Vikram sir knows about it. Spandan Ganguly knows about it. Most of the people, Rupa ma'am knows about it. They're all computer whiz
I
kids.
don't. Yeah.
I also don't know. I also am in your team. I also don't know about it.
I'm so happy about that.
They'll teach us regarding that.
Yeah. Okay. Because I like the idea, if somebody wants, apart from QR code, if just somebody wants, if there is a swipe thing there, they can swipe it, isn't it? Without waiting for QR code.
That's what I had asked. So what they are doing is, for the swiping part, what will happen is, there are 3 sections. One is the book section, different pavilions, and then there is one commercial section where commercial things are showcased, and there's a food section where food courts are there.
Okay.
So before every alley, before every row or column, whatever you call it, there is a kiosk. Kiosk A, kiosk B, kiosk C, kiosk D. Kiosk A has got a swiping machine. If somebody wants to buy this book, the catalog is there in the kiosk also. So somebody from our stall will lead him or her to that kiosk, and we are the 3rd bookstall. So the kiosk is very close to us. Now go there, swipe it, and get the book. Now what will happen is, for that we'll have to give them some.
Sir, we have to keep some strong men, like, पकड़ के लेके जाएगा कियोस्क में, मतलब खरीदने मांगा, मतलब immediately उसके सामने खड़ा कर देना है, इधर उधर देखने से पहले. ऐसा जैसा मैंने बोला कि before anyone else,
Now there is one lady.
हम लोगों को कुछ वो भी चाहिए, क्या बोलते हैं, वो जो होटल के बाहर खड़े रहते हैं ना, क्या डी से नाम होता है, क्या बोलते हो?
एक दो को रहना होगा वहाँ पे, खींच के लाने।
We need two bouncers, कि कोई बुक खरीदने मांगा तो इमीडिएटली उठा के खड़ा कर देगा.
I'll tell you, अपना स्टॉल में बैठने के लिए we have chosen a lady called Devopriya. Now Rupa.
Oh, she is nothing less than a bouncer.
I'll tell you, अगर किसी स्पंदन को कोई बोलेगा कि उस आदमी को बुला के लाओ, स्पंदन बोलेगा ए इधर आओ, मेरे को बोलेगा, मैं जाऊंगा, उसको बोलूंगा somebody is calling you. अगर देवप्रिया को बोलेगा,
you should have invited Devapriya in this. She would have known the author.
No, she is next Sunday we'll call her. She is away. She is gone somewhere, so she won't be available today and tomorrow.
Out of network. वो satellite के बाहर है.
She is traveling. She'll be in the train actually. तो ट्रेन में तो मुश्किल है. तो वही मैं बोल रहा था, देवप्रिया को if you tell her that उसको बुलाना है, वो उसको बांध के पीट के लेके आएगा आपके पास. So that is the difference between Devapriya, me, and Spandan. So she has agreed to be in a stall throughout the 10 days. So that's great, and she's very presentable, educated, and has some knowledge about books.
Meanwhile, there is, I think, some 2 weeks time left. If Spandan could go and hit the gym, will it work?
Spandan, are you there?
उसकी बेटी काम कर सकते हैं, उसकी बेटी है. His daughter can actually help us. पकड़ के एकदम.
हाँ, उसका daughter, his daughter is very active. Niloy Kundu, why are you discounting Niloy Kundu? Yeah, Niloy Kundu is also a very active person.
No,
Yes.
but
वो छुप गए फोटो के उसके पीछे नाम के पीछे. You should show up. Yes, he is also looking good enough.
Niloy Kundu is
That's-
also a very active guy. He runs his own business. He runs his own business from morning to night. At the same time, he's writing books. And he takes a lot of interest in other things as well. So he's quite an active guy. So our body bhi acha hai.
बाउंसा के लिए
Spandan, we wanted you to do just like this for once, please. Yeah.
Then let me
Good
come
enough,
with
good
some
enough.
more sweater and jacket. Actually, I prefer, not only me, from childhood, I prefer winter. That time I get a little body weight, increased body weight.
कोई एक यहाँ पे किताब लिखेगा how to drag people to kiosk like we are authors. हम लोग का नाम भी सोचना था. ये क्या mutual help नाम है? ये नाम ऐसे लग रहा है ना. Please मेरा बैग कैरी कर दो, मैं तुमको 10 रुपए दूंगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा.
नहीं,
Please put
actually-
your name, you know.
I agree with you. I agree with you, Rupa.
Actually, I put an exercise in the group. Please think
मैंने
about
डाल
the
भी
name.
दिया. Fitness check कोई और कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा. सब लोग अपना किताब प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. Please say something. We have to do some interactions also. इतना किताब पढ़ते नीचे ऊपर से मैं टीचर हूँ. कॉपी करेक्शन कर दिमाग खराब हो गया. कितना पढ़ूं? Sorry, me. I'm the last one in finishing off all the books. Mr. Larry is finishing every book and it's scaring me.
Nirja Bandi, has written 7 books with 7 different genres and 7 different titles.
Wow.
She can put a very good name. And also Vikram Khaitan.
Wow.
He can
विक्रम जी के ऊपर ये पढ़ा है.
he can
Diplomatically
I am the last one. I am the
diplomatic
last
के
one.
पीछे.
just a minute.
कोई last one नहीं.
Yeah.
सब लोग
I
try.
am the one who is, going on like a, what do we say, मालगाड़ी. Yes. वो चलते
I'm
ही जा रहा
behind
है,
you.
चलते ही जा रहा है. It's not, it's
नहीं
neither
आप
finishing.
मालगाड़ी है तो मैं आपके पीछे.
नहीं.
Pushing you. Push आप चलते रहो मैं
We're
हूँ
on the
पीछे.
same boat. Same
No.
here, checking answer sheets
Behind
and
you.
making question papers. That's all. To work in life.
Seriously नहीं reading those answers, those
Things in
experiments.
life now.
अभी इसमें लॉकडाउन में उनका क्रिएटिविटी और बढ़ गया है. Struggling to get their attention from the next YouTube
Yeah.
tab. Teachers
Now,
are really now desperate.
Now, like Rupa ma'am is right, we should have a good and beautiful name for the group. And Nirja Bandi with this sort of names, for our book, Smiles and Sniffles, and Vikram Khaitan with his Seeds of Advice. Sorry. So please give a good name to the group,
SL, who better than you for titles?
Acha, why discount Devi Prasad Rakshit? Let us give him some responsibility as well. Sir, कुछ नाम सोचिए आप भी ग्रुप का.
ओके सर. अच्छा सर, कितना बजे टाइम रहेगा बुक फेयर का?
2 p.m. to 9 p.m.
2 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay.
The
घर से करके आना है.
achievers.
Thank
And somebody was asking something.
Achievers.
जय माला
देवी प्रसाद पूछ रहे थे लंच घर से करके आना है क्या?
No, actually.
We were talking of the name. Can you hear me? We were talking.
Yeah.
The achievers, how can be considered. I'm sure.
That is also a good name. That's also a good name. But then then there'll be a question of qualification, and only Jayanti Jaisima and Vikram Khaitan will be qualifying for being achievers. And what about the other people?
No, we are achievers in the making. We are.
Okay, then we'll make the name achievers in the making. Bracket mein.
Lognajita and I are in the achievers being pushed by us. Lognajita.
ऐसा है ना, कुछ जरूरी नहीं है कि बहुत लॉजिकल होना चाहिए. You can have something like etchy sketchy. A name unheard of in groups.
I feel Vikram, catch them if you can. Customer.
कुछ भी
अच्छा, why not googly impu chimpu?
Everything is a riddle.
Chasm, if you can, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. We are actually bouncer पकड़ो, book पसंद है इधर.
अच्छा, सिंपल नाम है, no jokes, authors combined. बस.
Authors combined, हाँ, that's a good thing. Authors combined, yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
शॉर्ट में एसी हो जाता है, बड़ा इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग हो जाता है.
यहाँ एसी हो जाता है. गर्मी का सीजन रहता तो बहुत मजा आता है. नाम सुन के मजा आ जाता है. Any more questions, like from Calcuttans and non Nilay Kundu, you are connecting with me on Monday. There are certain things we need to share.
Excuse me, sir. One thing I'd like to say, I've prepared one Google form that I'd like to share with you all. This will be about the authors detail and number of books, title, everything that will be required for the catalog. So as soon as you all get this, if you can fill it up and submit it, so we can proceed in that work. Number one. Second one is regarding the flex. Those what I have given is only the draft, means there are a lot of here and there changes will be there. Just I would request whichever will be your main criteria, main book, means for the main flex, which will be at the back, like see, this is the room, so the back will be one portion will be 4 foot by 10 foot. That flex will be there, and 2 side walls will be there. So back will have only the books for each author, maximum 2. Those who have only 1 book, that will be there. For others, those who have more than 2 books, whichever your priority, means out of 5 or 6 books, I want these 2 books are more important to be highlighted. That will go there on the main flex. And on the side walls, I'm going to prepare 2 different flexes with individual author ID, means author's image, and all the books of that author. So that will be one for ladies and one for the gentlemen. So these, I need clarifications, I need those information inputs so that I can work it, because ma'am, Rupa ma'am, just 1 minute. Every time I'll go for working and changing it, it will become difficult for me, because the size is huge, means 4 cross 10 and 6 cross 10, what I'm working on, it is, I'm managing it too hard. So as you get it, you can send it to me. So once it is finalized, then I'll again put it there, and then I'll get everyone's opinion on whatever you need to change on your portion. You can tell, I'll do that, obviously. Yes, Rupa ma'am, you said ladies and gentlemen.
Why divide ladies and gentlemen? Who, if it's not 50-50, why not A plus B by 2, 50-50? Ladies and gentlemen में uneven distribution हो गया तो?
No, he is trying to.
Gents लोगों को बड़ा-बड़ा फोटो मिलेगा और ladies लोगों को छोटा-छोटा फोटो मिलेगा.
No, he is trying to bring out the beauty and the beast concept.
हाँ तो ठीक है, अगर 4 जेंटलमैन हुए तो आप चारों को तो इतना बड़ा 1/4 ऑफ द पोस्टर मिल जाएगा, और हम लोगों को तो टाना-टानी करके रहना पड़ेगा. तो सारा मेकअप का कॉस्ट हमारा और स्पेस मिले आपको.
What I calculated is equal number of books, so there is nothing.
Are you sure there are equal number of men and women?
Right now, if Harichetan joins in,
I will increase the size of the flex in that case.
Now, 1 minute.
The size of the book is constant. It will not increase or decrease. So according to that.
Spondan, if Harichetan joins, then the number of male authors will be more than the number of female authors.
By 1.
We are waiting for Harichetan to join, probably tonight or tomorrow morning.
Hey, I'm certainly missing Lalit. I mean, what happened? Why
maybe he went for the meeting. I think he has already gone for the meeting. He had a meeting. It's 7:45. Might have joined the other meeting probably.
All right.
Acha, Rupa ma'am also has a meeting at 8 o'clock. So if you have got any questions, Rupa ma'am, you can ask right now. So
because my book is yet on the way, pipeline में है, तो मेरी किताब हो जाए उसके बाद में सवाल पूछो, अभी तो कुछ नहीं है. और कितने दिनों तक डेडलाइन कब है? फोटो और फोटो किताब का फोटो और अपना फोटो देने का?
As soon as possible by
No,
tomorrow.
no. We'll give you a deadline. Deadline till Tuesday because
Okay.
Hari Chetan and people who are joining in late, they might have 1 day's time or maybe half a day's time.
No. See, their book, everyone's book is already there. It is physical, so they might have the front page image and their own image. Anytime they can submit.
I just wanted to know, Spondan, how many lines for book description, whether there is a word limit or something?
No, you give that one. You give as much. Then we will decide for the catalog how much it to be required. I think it's not more than 2 lines. If it is a catalog that we have not yet decided what will be the size and what will be the format of catalog.
Try to keep it within 30 words right now. Then we'll see if it has to be further reduced or not once we start framing up the catalog. So right now try to keep it within 30 words, and then we will see like how the catalog looks.
I have posted the form, the link of the form here and in the group.
Okay. In the WhatsApp group also, please.
Both I have posted. Just go.
I would like to invite everybody to come over to Kolkata, our home city, and visit it. We are here to provide you as much as we can. Yeah. So the ladies are welcome. If you tell me, I have got the opportunity to provide shelter for you, at least for 1 night. If you can afford coming to Kolkata, discount भी देगा. Jet Airways शुरू होने वाला है, तो probably वो है ना discount दे देगा. Please आइए चढ़िए करके. तो Omicron को fight करके अगर आप लोग आ जाओ, you are welcome. Please let me know. I can provide something and we'll have entertainment. क्या मतलब मिलना जरूरी है. It's such a good.
Yeah, I've already told you.
I have already responded, and so if men can also join in, I can think of, if you tell me, I can think of provision of shelter, food, roti kapda makan, and I think
I have got shelter. I require food.
मिल जाएगा. ये लॉकडाउन ने खाना बनाना सिखा दिया. लॉकडाउन से पहले नहीं बनाते थे. लॉकडाउन में अंडर प्रेशर कुकिंग भी सीख लिया. So if you have okay with like,
in fact Deepa Hariharan is coming to Calcutta pretty soon.
Welcome.
She'll be in Newtown only.
Yeah,
so,
Eco Vista.
To see, yeah.
So if you find out some time, you can let us know. Like me, Spandan, Rupa, if possible, we can meet. No.
We'll have to meet, yeah.
So when are you coming, by the way? After Christmas, before Christmas, after Christmas, of course.
My plan is on Tuesday to Friday, next Tuesday to Friday, but still I'm not sure because the tickets are not yet booked.
Okay.
So I'll have to reconfirm with my boss. Yeah.
Before Christmas. Okay, good. So that is before Christmas. Okay, manage हो जाएगा. Thursday, I think Thursday is free. Thursday कुछ नहीं है.
I'm trying to figure out if I can, speak to my CFO for Jan to 7 to 16th के बीच में. So that would be more great. So I can attend the book fair as well. But I don't know.
Yeah, we can decide one common date. So it will be easier.
Yeah. Actually, I'm coming for a handover process and that guy is going to leave before 31st. So I'm not very sure about 7 to 16. But hopefully before that, yes, I'll be attending.
If you want that guy to be kept back to Kolkata for some more days, you can let us know.
He will be there in Kolkata. He's joining another organization.
Okay.
So sorry, I'll have to sign off right now. All of you are welcome. Are we having meeting next Sunday?
Yeah, I'll interrupt. If I go in May, will I be there for you? Will I be welcome?
Most welcome. मैं तो 20% दोस्ती हो गई, मतलब हो गई.
So at least I have kept that, doubt aside then. Because I really wish to go, but right now, as you understand.
इंडिया वाला signature है, दोस्ती हो गई तो हो गई. अब छोड़ना पड़ेगा, वरना नहीं टूटेगी.
Lagnajita madam was in West Bengal a few days ago, and she was in Asansol.
I was there for a week.
I need to say this, Lagnajita madam, you look little bit close to Aparna Sen also, huh? Aparna Sen में glamour का अच्छे.
And she is writing also like Aparna Sen.
I have to sign off right now.
Allow me have a meeting with Aparna Sen. Now, come on, make my
Continuous,
dream
long
come
process.
true.
Long process. I have to
No,
sign
no,
off
it's not
now.
long. It's not
Tuesday
long.
CBSE computer exam hai and I have to sign off now.
Oh,
Very
okay,
sorry.
fine,
Okay,
fine. All the
okay.
best.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
See you.
Rupa.
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, Rupa.
Anything?
Satyam sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
can we meet somewhere in
So you
Kolkata?
tell
I'll
me,
not meet with you.
Kolkata, whenever you say after 2 o'clock, I'll be there.
Actually, I don't stay in Kolkata all the time because of my job, you know. Yesterday I was in Imphal, day before yesterday I was in Silchar.
So
I have to travel.
now where are you? Are you in Kolkata? Or
Now
else?
I am in Kolkata.
So how long will you be there in Kolkata?
Yeah, actually tomorrow and day after tomorrow, both days will be my off. After that, I don't know where I will be.
So day after tomorrow we can meet. Yeah. Where do you stay, by the way?
Near airport.
Oh, that's great. So
Airport colony.
day after tomorrow, I'm traveling to Newtown in the fair area. So that's pretty close to,
Okay.
so we can meet somewhere and then, we can
Okay.
go and see the place as well.
Okay, we can meet at Newtown also if you
We can
want.
meet. We can meet at Newtown. You can see the place for yourself.
Okay, okay.
Where the fair is going to be held and who are the people involved and all those things. And if Spandan comes along, nothing like that. If Niloy comes along,
Yeah,
nothing like that.
it will be great.
It will be great. And of course, you can see the place and you can meet the people out there or organizers and all those.
Okay, okay. I will try to be there all the days, but if I am not here in Kolkata, then it will be problem.
It's not possible for anybody to be there all the 10 days from 2 to 9. That's why we have got this lady and a few people.
Yeah, very good.
Can you share it? Acha, Spandan, have you not shared it in the WhatsApp group, the Google form? So can you share it?
Shared it.
Okay,
Yes,
share
I
it.
have shared that. I have shared that.
Okay, Sucheta ma'am, you can pick it up from the WhatsApp group also.
Okay, thank you. I didn't check.
So we are done with today's meeting.
We are almost done. I'm waiting for if there is any query from anybody, so that people are clear with what we are up to. So,
Sir, how many author participate in our group?
in our group presently, if you say confirmed participation, it's 12.
Okay.
So not confirmed, there are 4 more, but I don't know how many people will confirm. So one Hari Chetan I met yesterday, he was very confirmed, but he has gone to his hometown. It's in a village in West Bengal, so he'll be coming back tomorrow morning only. So once he comes, we'll come to know about his participation, and another 3 I don't know. So we'll see. Right now it's 6-6, men, women 6-6.
Spandan, I hope you have confirmed JJ's entry also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
So what's the time from morning to evening? It starts from
2 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay, 2 to 9. Carry on.
SL one request, please order 5 copies of JJ's books also and let me know the amount. I'll pay the entry, the 3K plus the books cost as well.
Thank you.
You should have told me in the morning. I just ordered 1 copy, for myself. So I could have ordered 5 copies. So I'll order another 4 tonight. And Smita ji, please send your book photographs to Spandan, please.
And please don't forget to share the amount also.
Yes, madam.
Share the amount after ordering.
Yeah, that will do. That's not a problem. And Smita ji, you please share your photographs.
Yeah, I got that.
I already shared, sir.
Acha, Spandan,
Yeah, JJ.
Where do the photographs go? What are you going to do with the photographs?
First of all, they'll go into the catalogs, and they'll also go into the banners. The banners, the books will be showcased in the flexes that we'll be putting up on the stall, on the walls of the stall.
Okay.
So
I sent a picture of myself in ascension pose, ready to take off to the heavens.
Oh my God.
So, yes. So, I don't
That-
know if that is not Nirja. I don't know. You have to decide for me.
No, that is the reason why I told you to change, but you were adamant to keep it as it is.
No,
so,
because I want to use that for my next book.
Then
SL,
don't use that.
Okay,
I think
let
Spandan
me,
has to tell
ma'am,
me if the
let
book
me
is
share once. Satodar sir, just give me that sharing option. I'll
No,
share
that
one
Vikram sir
draft
will
of the flex.
Vikram sir will give.
Oh, Vikram sir, just give me that option to share.
Yeah, you can now.
Just a moment. Yes, this one I have done like this type of this way. One flex will be there, which will showcase one or two books of all the authors at the back of the stall. So here it will cover. So as number of authors will increase and the books it will increase. Now the size will be. Now I have just make it. I think 4x6. It will be maximum 4x10.
Yeah.
So no, the entire background of our stall will be covered up this flex on the top. And the another one, just let me see. This one. So this one will be individual means authors wise all the books, whichever like Nirja ma'am's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books are coming. So all the books will come over here. Those who have 1 or 2 or 5 or 6, that author's individual photograph and the books. So this type 2 flexes will be there, one for all the ladies and one for all the gents. That way I'll make. So here I need.
Can you share Jayanti ma'am's photographs that people are having doubt on?
Okay, let me check where it is. Just a moment. I've downloaded it. Let me search it where I've downloaded.
you
Books
can check
also
in
I
your
got.
email.
In the email only it will be there. X. I got it.
Actually, in this group, group of people that we are here, has anybody not sent their photos as of yet? My God.
This one is the image, but this one will not go with. If I crop it.
Not? Why not? It's the same size, no?
No, what I'll say is.
No, if I make it their squeeze, means there the size along with the book. The thing is either I have to take like this way. If I squeeze it to this form, it will come like this.
No. Then it's not correct.
No, what I'm saying is, if we can get a close-up photo, like the face is there and little bit of the neck portion, then I think it will be sufficient.
No, this is an old photo. Now I am not wearing glasses. I had some cataract thing, so now I don't have to wear glasses. So I think
if you
this
have
one,
a newer image.
and this is a nice vague picture of mine. Vague. No zoom in.
No, you are putting this in your next book, I presume.
I want to use this because much ado about everything.
Everything, yeah.
That way. Everything.
So if you have a close-up photo, recent photo.
I do have. I'll send it to.
Okay.
I'll send it.
And anybody else who has not sent Niloy?
I had something to say.
Yes, ma'am.
The thing is, I sent the front cover of both my books, covers of both my books. One is Against All Odds, it's there on the banner. The other one is Global Perspectives on Legal Capacity Reform. That was never seen on the banner. In fact,
when I have done the banner,
one minute, Spandan, let me say. See, everybody, I request everybody not to get upset if you see a banner coming up in the group where your name is not there. There will be several banners where Satyendra Lahiri won't be there. There will be no Spandan Ganguly, there will be no Vikram Khaitan. This is only for sizing purposes. When we send the final draft, I'll call it final draft. I will call it. Satyendra Lahiri will call it final draft. Then you comment. Not now, please. Now it is the rough permutations, combinations. That's all we are doing. Sometimes Vikramji will be out of the screen. I'll be out of the screen. I'll be small. I'll be looking like Superman. Or Spandan will be looking like Spider-Man. Those things will keep on happening. So once we send the final draft, I'll say this is the final draft. Then you comment if something is missing. Right now, we are just receiving things and we are trying to put it and place it and see how it looks. So various contexts we are trying to work out. And Vikramji is helping with the QR codes and all that. What is this?
This is the book
This is mine.
Yes,
yeah.
sir. Okay, this will be added.
This will be added, and then we will try to work out the whole thing. And Niloy Kundu, you have time. You have time till Wednesday. Okay.
Okay. Actually, today I have given all these details to Satya Krishna Rama.
I have given you one extra day, so that you get behind Satya Ramakrishna and get it done by Wednesday morning and send it across to us.
One thing, sir, I would like to say here, once the form is being filled up by all the author, then I'll be confirmed what are the book, which author, how many books, and what are the books. So the moment I cross-check them with my images that I have in my folder, I'll get to know is this author's, this book is missing or this is there. So
SG, give a deadline to it. Otherwise, people would take ages to fill that and send it to you.
Form fill, I think by tomorrow it can be done. There's nothing more.
No, please post it in the group that tomorrow is the last day.
I will put it in the group. And Spandan, another thing is that we have to keep a count on the number of banners. First, back, 2 faces, 2 walls, front, a small banner, and in the welcome desk.
Those two are the standing flex like that. Those,
yeah. Okay. So these are the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they are asking for what Newtown Library is asking. I'm not sure about this. Okay, they might ask us in the name of the House of Apricons. They should have a banner in the entrance also of Newtown Library. Okay, so that's not yet fixed. So when we are meeting Devi Prasad and if Niloy can come along and you can come along on Tuesday, then we can go and directly talk to them. If they say yes, that will be an extra banner to be made. So right now.
Can I say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say something? There's no need to put my picture at all. The book speak for itself. What do you think of that?
What do you say, Spandan?
Is it necessary for me? Because, you know, my husband is on a different level than me.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
So there's no need for a picture of me at all. Just consider that.
Yeah, that is one thing. That is one thing. Of course, it will be written in the catalog. And we can do that. That's a valid point, in fact, that you have pointed out. That's a valid point. So that, of course, we'll discuss again. And as for now, like the deadline for filling up the form will be maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever. I'll put it in the group. And that's the lovely daughter of Lagnajita ji. And and again, photos, people who are yet to put in their book photos, you should hurry up. and do it before Tuesday or maximum Wednesday. So with that, should we close it today?
I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
The thing is 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. Those are the timings for the Newtown Book Fair or the Calcutta Book Fair, Kolkata Book Fair?
Both.
Thank you, sir.
Both are having the same time. Newtown Book Fair is just an extension of Kolkata Book Fair.
Fine.
Because they don't want the crowd to surpass a certain limit. They have divided the two. But both will be getting the same credence, same publicity.
Thank you,
Is it happening in the same time?
No. The Kolkata Book Fair is happening from 29th to 13th. They are staggering the dates now to abide by the COVID protocols, so that people who have visited Newtown Book Fair, they have seen half of it or most of it. So those people probably will not come to the Kolkata Book Fair.
You mean 13th February from 29th January to 13th February?
Yeah, that is Kolkata Book Fair. We are calling it Corona, and anyway it is KBF, Karunamoyi Book Fair, and this is Newtown Book Fair. So these are the two book fairs put together is Kolkata Book Fair. So
let's hope it doesn't become Corona by that time.
No, Corona is with C and this is with K.
Corona.
And I have asked them regarding if something happens with this Omicron, what will happen? They said that if midway government decides of course that they should close, they will reimburse whatever per day basis they'll calculate and they'll reimburse. That's what they have said. So that way, if something happens, I hope it doesn't. If something happens, then it's not that they'll take away the money and go away.
All right, we can close for today.
Yes. If somebody has got something other than book fair to ask, you can ask.
We can bring it in the group. We can bring it in the group if we come up with some thoughts.
No problem.
Yeah, one last thing. I'm so sorry coming up with so many things. Just like how VK sir took an interview of, what was her name? Yeah, Sucheta ma'am. When will my interview happen?
Vikram Khaitan, please.
Yeah, that's subject to your availability, ma'am. Whenever you say.
Fine.
Thank
you.
Can we have it now?
For a long time, we have been waiting.
Bye, I'm off. Bye.
Okay, then have a good rest of Sunday and enjoy yourselves. We'll meet again next Sunday.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
I had a nice time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good night, all.
Thank you, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Thank you. Good night, everybody.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.